Hello, my friend Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and I have some new items to share with you today. Are you ready? Get set. First of all, dun 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 dun. It is a Jingle Fold It. Now, this is part of Jingle Jangle. Maybe we'll do Jingle next year. This is Jingle. Look how cute he is. He has his hands, you know how I love to do this, where his hands will open so you can put something inside. There's a Christmas tree, there's a rocking horse, there's a present, but of course you can put anything you want. And I have a lot of samples of him. Hang tight. Then we have some awesome, big, fun, and I'm just gonna show you this one because it's just so much easier to see this. Mary. Look at how big that word is, Mary. Then it also comes with Noel on the inside. And then it also comes with love on the inside. So you get these three words, Mary, Noel, and love. Look at how beautiful those are. Nice big words, because sometimes you just want a big word, right? Last but not least for today, we have a brand new stamp set that's nice and bold, and I called it Bold Inspiration because some of these are perfect for when you need a pickup, when a friend or loved one needs a pickup. So, sending happy thoughts. You are awesome. You are amazing. You are outstanding. Be brave. You inspire me, and stay strong. And let me just tell you, our design team went literally crazy on samples on these because these are so important. So let's jump into those. Here we go. Look at this. Be brave. You are outstanding. Stay strong. Imagine sending this to someone and they open that and it gives them an automatic pick-me-up, right? Or how about you are amazing? These are perfect for the inside and the outside of a card. Oh my goodness, look at this one. You inspire me. Love that. Or how about this one using our new stitch dot, stitch dot. You are awesome. Here's another one using the stitch dot circle. Sending happy thoughts. Here you go. You inspire me. Love it. Another one. You inspire me. Here's another one. You are awesome. Imagine, oh, look how cute these are together. I love that. Look how cute these are together. You could make these for a craft fair if you wanted to, but look how sweet. Sometimes somebody just needs that little pick-me-up. Here's another fun one. You are amazing. I love that. Now, let's jump back into Christmas. Here we go. Noel. Look at that. Oh, you guys. Here's one. Love you. So fun. Isn't that cute on our decal edge? Here's another. Oh, Mary. You guys. These are so fun because they take up a lot of real estate on your card and you just add a couple little tiny extra things and boom, you're done, right? So those of you that send out a lot of Christmas cards, this is going to be a great option for you because look at this one. This is just patterned paper, cardstock, die cut. Boom. So if you send out a lot, woo, this is perfect. Now, let's jump into Jingle. Are you ready? Get set. I am just telling you, I love this little guy. He has so many options. Wait a minute. Hang on. We're getting some doubles here. Let's back up just a little bit. We want to make sure we're, okay, this is the one. So somehow some Jangle got in here. This is the one we're doing. The ears, but not that one. So we got some extra in there. Here we go. Here's a cutie pie. Look at that. Love him. Here's this one with the little ears. Look at off to the side. I love it when they do it off to the side. I think it's just so cute. Here's another one. Look how cute. So totally different, you guys, right? And then the piece de la resistance. Look at that. Noel. Isn't that so sweet? Now, and Michelle even made a cute little Mary keychain. I love that. Look at that. A stuffy Mary. And it's a keychain. So cute. Club members, you know the rules. You know how this works. You are getting 15% or 20%, depending on your clubs, off of the entire website. Every single day, every single item, every single order. What happens if something's on a flash sale? Yes, you get the flash sale price and a club discount after that. So you're double, triple discounting all the time. The first 24 hours these items are on the website, they are on flash sale. So go check it out, thestampsoflife.com. If you're not in one of the clubs, join and then you can buy these items because your discount starts immediately. Okay, check it out, thestampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.